Hey guys, for those of you who don't already know me, I'm Danielle Phillipson and I will be your instructor for ID 5030. I think you will really enjoy this class. We get to touch on some of the fun topics in online instruction. We will be using Canvas for your project. So I know that can be a little bit intimidating, but just remember to draw on the skills you have from any other LMSs. So for example, you have used Moodle, so draw on your experience with Moodle and certainly ask questions, play around. But basically what we're going to be doing is discussing things within our class in Moodle, and then you're going to go into Canvas and apply what you've learned. So you're going to be kind of jumping back and forth. There is a method to the madness. I know it may seem a little overwhelming right now, but I'm going to ask you to extend your trust and know that I am always watching to make sure that you're on track, and I'm always happy to answer questions. I look forward to a great term with you, and have a great week.